And we're back to learning Illustrator, and here day 160. Final note about the dimensions tool. In this playlist you can also change the units and also the appearance, but the unit is the most important here. We'll go back to measuring like a rectangle, maybe at this position, and if you click on the gear icon you get this menu and there is a units option. Usually you want to set that to documents unit, then it has the same unit as the elements that you create in your document. But if you need a specific one, let's say pixels or inches, you can change that here. There's also an option for position. If you want to have more or less units after the comma, you can hide the units, have a different scale. The options below are for appearance. The dimension lines are in this case these horizontal lines, and the extension lines are the vertical ones. You can also change the text itself, so the way the numbers are written, size for example, different font. And this obviously goes for all dimensions that you add, so not just these linear dimensions, also angular and radial. And this is how you can change the unit of the dimension tool in Illustrator. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.